welcome to our life in the Philippines. We're just taking a little evening stroll here in the barangay in Morong. This street is just one street off the beach, and we're just gonna get a little vlog in here. Huh? I can go in on the other side. Yes. All right. So going down the street, you actually get to the beach. So hey, who do we got there? I think we have another vlogger going on.
Yeah. We just parked the bike on the other side.
Yeah. And here we got the dollar store on wheels, I call it.
Dollar store on wheels.
Yeah. You know what dollar store is, huh?
No.
In United States, it's a store that intended to have everything as a dollar, and all kinds of this stuff, right? So that was the intention of the dollar store. It was the intention of the dollar store, and so we are just coming down the streets here.
Yeah, it's nice to walk.
Yeah,
here.
it's a nice walk. Look at those flowers, they're pretty. Nice colors, you know, look.
Yeah, that one we call bougainvillea.
Bougainvillea? Yeah, I know.
We always...
We have them in Florida too, a lot of them.
I think it grows on the tropical place.
Yeah. So, sari stores, a little everywhere, and we have Panbatuan Elementary. So let's see if I can adjust the camera a little bit. There you go. Yeah, Panbatuan Elementary School. And this is where the most of the kids go to school in this little all right, so where is he heading? He's heading down to... Yeah. Yep. You see the roasters everywhere here. Hello. How are you?
That's a Windy staff before.
Yeah.
She worked in the elevator.
Yeah. Some staffers that works in the island water. So we're gonna head down. No, I had too much. I had too much yesterday. Thank you though. Thank you. Huh? No, it's okay. Well, we're just gonna vlog a little bit.
You want some vlog?
We're vlogging, yeah.
Vlogging,
Yeah. All right. See you guys. Enjoy. Yeah, don't drink too much now.
That was it. Hey, one shot.
What's up?
What's up?
What's up? All right. So yeah, this takes us right down to the beach actually, and small little quarters. People live on the beach. This is how they pump the water, hand pumping, and here we go. We have see the beach down there. We are almost there. Almost there. Oh yeah, ugly duckling. Ugly duckling. There's babies in there. Yeah. So we'll keep going down this way.
Just worried about my white shoes.
Huh? Worried about your white shoes? Yeah. It's by far this is our favorite beach within a few hours travel distance.
We always came there when we escape from the city, polluted city.
Yeah, that's true.
Thing. Very,
This property is for sale.
Oh.
You want to buy a property right on the beach in Morong? Here's the number. Alright, so this is the fishing village.
The water is on the other side.
Yeah. Yeah, beautiful sunset that's coming down. It's pretty. Very pretty. The mountain range over there too is like there. That's pretty far out, but I think that towards that area there's Marivelis down there.
Down.
Yeah, that's north. Yeah, so south end. And you travel around some of that. That mountain is probably what, 30 kilometers away or so or more. Look, it's taking pictures. Yeah.
Very, very nice.
Yeah.
Take a picture by the one boat only.
Yeah.
Well,
A lot of boats though. Happy Fiesta. Alright, so walk down this street too, can maybe. Walking. Yeah. See what's here. We gotta go and
Parang probinsya lang, no? Parang sa amin din.
is it dead end here?
I don't know.
Yeah, it looks like it dead ends right there. So okay.
This way? Kaliwa. Kaliwa pala. Sabi ko pa.
Yeah. The beach.
It's wrong.
Oh, okay. So we're heading the other way. So you go to the beach here? We're just gonna go and check it out. Oh, little puppy. Little puppy. Okay, so there you. Left. Oh, then we're coming down to the beach this way. Oh, Lot, lot of water here, guys. Wet water. Yeah, it's water. Oh, you have water.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, so we got another beach access here, and maybe if we walk up that way maybe we get out to the bikes.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah. All right, so let's go and have check this out on the beach. Yeah. Okay. All right, they're heading up that way, so I'm gonna follow them. And you got nice views everywhere you look here around here. Very nice views. Pretty. So now I'm gonna have to catch up with them. I think they went down this way. And oh yeah, so they have some kind of fiesta going on. I see the flags. It's a typical thing here in Philippines when you have flags and all kinds of things that are decorating the big party, the fiestas. We are we hoping to go to Samar.
This year, or I don't know. I'm not
Yeah.
sure.
We're gonna go somehow.
I'm sure. I'll be sure because it's gonna have a fiesta on April
Yeah, April 20.
24, 25, no, 23, 24, 25.
Yeah, 3 days where everybody is partying and having a lot of fun. What is a fiesta? Is that an annual?
Yeah, it's every year. We are celebrating on our. We are celebrating on our son. This is a saint that they give us some good health. We pray for the good catch on the fish, something like that. I don't know what the saint name that we always
Right.
celebrating.
Yeah.
I know, San Vicente. The name of the
All right, here the real men are playing basketball. Oh yeah. Yeah, yeah. Just dunked it. He just dunked it. Oh. All right. They're having fun playing here. Hello.
Yeah, this one is okay, okay.
Oh, here they're selling clothes.
Okay, okay. You put okay, okay.
What is that?
Okay, okay.
Used clothes?
Yeah, from US.
Ah. Okay. All right, guys. We are going to wrap this one up for now. And it was a little walk on some of the neighborhoods close to Island Waters Resort.
Yeah,
So
people here is so friendly.
yeah, they're friendly. Everybody says hi. It's a lot of fun. So we're wrapping this up, guys.
That's the videoke
Yeah.
from Island Water.
Oh yeah, we had videoke last night.
Yeah.
Andrew's birthday. All right. So we say bye-bye, guys, and see you soon again. Wait, don't click that button unless, of course, you hit the subscribe button. And then you can move on. And while you're down there, hit the notification button as well. And if you leave a like or a comment, we will personally respond to you on all or any request you might have. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again